Hello gardening friend, if you are a seedaholic like me, you can never get enough seeds. So today, come along with me, we're going to order some seeds from Johnny's Seeds. I got this snazzy new mask, let's get started. The goal of my channel is to give you information you can use to become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And while you're down there, click the like, because that really helps me to get YouTube to send my videos out to a wider audience. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you get notified and don't miss any new content. Alright, Johnny's Seeds is a great seed company. I've ordered from them before, and I'm going to order a few more things. Never have too many seeds. Here's their main page. They do say that they are a non-GMO seed company. They definitely don't want GMO seeds. And they also have organic seeds. So I have a few tabs open here so we can save some time. So let's look what we got first. Okay, here's some carrot. I forgot to order carrot seeds. Plus, I thought I would order some interesting carrots, because we got a pack of organic different colored seeds at the store the other day, and my wife was like, I didn't know that you could do that. So that's the joy of growing things at home too. You can grow some interesting varieties that aren't real easy to get at the store. So let's look at these yellow carrots. Yellow Moon. That looks good. Let me go ahead and get a pack, and we'll add that to the cart. Boom. Now let's jump over to onions. You can put over here in the filters if you want intermediate, short day, or what you want. I'm going to go with intermediate this year because I've been having a hard time getting my onions to grow. I'm sort of borderline between short day and long day. So let me go ahead and go intermediate. There's a candy onion. Go ahead and try that. Let's look. It says it's good for further down south, which I am further down south. Get a pack of those. Then I also would like getting a red onion. This says long harvest window on that one, so that might be a good idea for me because I get busy and don't get out to the garden sometimes. Let me get one of those. Okay, I'm also going to get some radishes. I love French breakfast, so I'm going to go ahead and get some French breakfast. Add that to the cart. Boom. I think I forgot to boom the last time I clicked the add to cart. Let's try these purple ones just for fun. That will be fun, right? Yes, it will. Okay, now let's look at tomatoes. I wanted to get this Super Sweet 100 tomato because it's real prolific cherry tomato. Here we go. Click plus, one pack, add to cart. Boom. That's it. Let's look at some other tomatoes. I'm going to try this New Girl for an early tomato with great flavor. Let's try that. Better flavor and more resistant than Early Girl. Widely adapted, highly resistant to fusarium wilt, vermiculum wilt, indeterminate. Add that to the cart. Boom. Also wanted to get some microgreens. They've got a lot of different microgreens, and I've heard a lot of people say they get their microgreen seeds from Johnny's. So I'm going to go with this mild micro mix because my whole family doesn't really like spicy stuff. I think I will go ahead and get a 1/4 pound because I'm expecting to do some microgreens. 1/4 pound doesn't sound like very much, but actually that is a lot. Boom. Now let's look at the peppers. I did order some pepper seeds. They've got some pretty pepper seeds. I think I have enough pepper seeds. Okay, here we go. I got the yellow carrots. I forgot I was going to look for some more carrots. That was only the first page of carrots. There's a dragon carrot that looks interesting, but I saw some other ones here that are more dark, like the whole way through the carrot they're dark. That deep purple looks interesting. Here's one, deep purple. Oh, that's the same one. Just it's cut, and they had pelleted carrot seeds or just regular seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and get this deep purple. We'll add one to the cart, and then we'll go back and look for some more. Let's try this purple haze one. Look at that yellow. Is that I think that's the yellow I got. Let me get some white ones also. Let me get just a regular carrot seed as well. Whoop, they're out of stock in that one. Unless I want to spend $102 for 100,000 seeds. I don't think I want to do that. See, we'll try this one. Out of stock. Whoa, everybody's buying carrot seeds already. Okay, here's one that says reliable storage carrot. Where'd it go? There it is. Get that one. Ooh, I got 11 things in the cart. I believe that's all I was gonna get. All right, let's look what I got in my cart. I got the Yellow Moon carrots, candy onions, monastrial, red carrots, French breakfast radish, okay, and Bravo radish, Super Sweet 100 tomato, microgreen mix, deep purple carrots, purple haze carrots, white satin carrots, hard to see if that was a radish or carrot, and Bolera carrots. Alright, awesome. I will go ahead and order those. You can see Johnny's has a great selection and a great seed company. Looks like they've got a lot of tools and supplies too. Plus, let's go ahead and look at their fruits. See what fruits they have. I'm gonna look for raspberry. You can get a mixture or a selection, so you have ever-bearing raspberries, so you can get raspberries through the whole season. We are looking to move soon, so I think I'm gonna hold off on the raspberries because I do have some good raspberry plants going in my garden now. If I was gonna be here longer, I would say yes. Let me look at strawberry real quick. Look at these sparkles, those are pretty. They're out of stock on some strawberries too, so guys, get your orders in. The early bird gets the worm, or the strawberries, or the carrots. Okay guys, I'm going to be winter sowing a lot of these seeds, so if you would like to see how to winter sow, I'll leave a link up here for a video that shows how I winter sow. Let me know what you're planting in your garden this year. Leave a comment below, or find me on the community page of my channel. I hope you have a lot of fun getting your seeds started this year. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again real soon.